Okay, so I bought this lock on Amazon. Seems to come from China. And as it's not working, just received it a few days ago. Seller asked me to make a video, so I'm making it. And as I cannot upload it, I'll put it on YouTube. Might be helpful for some other people. So, first, you use the app, you try to unlock it. There's no chances at all to have interferences being that close, and it doesn't work. Bluetooth is useless. Yep, so we're gonna wait a few tenths of seconds like this. Yep, be patient. Yep, go to sleep. Yeah, see, it works pretty well. So you get that notification telling you to check that device broadcasts are enabled. So yes, my Bluetooth is enabled, you can see it, and device broadcast is not a thing on iOS. I actually work for Apple, I can tell you it's not a thing. So it does not work unless you wake it up, you press the button and hey, it's connected. But there's no point of having Bluetooth if you have to touch that thing. Second thing, it took me 13 tries to register just one fingerprint. That actually does not work. See, yeah, sometimes it does. So let's try to register a new one. Okay, so left machine. Okay, so it's not really clear. Try again. See, nothing's working. If you want to see the small light, and my finger is like, put it in the light just for you. It's clean, freshly washed hands. The sensor is super clean. It's brand new. And see, nothing's happening. So I tried 20 times for the second finger. So I tried to leave it, tried to go fast, tried to reposition my finger. See, nothing's happening. Yeah. And after that, what do we have? We have the app.